In this video, I show you how to fix error code 2901 in Modern Warfare 3. Here are the possible fixes related to this issue. Number 1. Restart your router. When faced with any network related errors in the game, it is advised to restart the router. A proper reboot will clear the router's cache, potentially eliminating a host of network related issues including the Modern Warfare 3 error 2901. A proper reboot involves removing all the power cables from your router for at least 10 to 20 settings before plugging them back in. If restarting your router did not fix the error, check out the next solution. Sometime due to a bad update, your game files might be corrupted. In that case, you won't be able to connect to the game. Even if you do, you will be greeted with a lot of errors. Hence, if you believe your game files are to be blamed, you can run a quick check of your files. Here are how you can do it on Steam, Battle.net and Xbox. In Steam, launch Steam and go to your game library. Right-click on Call of Duty and select Properties. Then select Initiated Files from the left panel. Click on the Verify Integrity of Game Files. In Battle.net, launch Battle.net and go to the Call of Duty tab. Select the cog wheel right next to the play button. Click on Scan and Repair. Finally select Begin Scan. Launch the Xbox app. From your Install Game section, find Call of Duty. Right-click on it and go to Manage. Select the File tab from the top menu. Click on the Verify and Repair button. So, I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.